game till now can finally pay off for the side of RIP Mizo. But they have to be extremely quick with the revives. Flick YT being brought back into the game. But Kratic, their formation now, this is quite interesting. They've kept retreat in the backlines close to the shack. And now he's finally forced to move out just because the blue zone is headed his way. Oh, if he can catch Smokes off guard, that just opens the floodgates for the side of RIP. They will know it's a 4v3 in their favor.
He's been left to survive by himself for all this while. Now retreat might be in trouble here. He knows he's around that corner. Retreat needs to be a little careful. Does drop down another smoke on the other end. Kratic taking pressure from RIP Mizo. Thor's gone down. Finishes are low on either side, but it's going to be RIP Mizo who have the advantage so far. Addy keeping things alive. It's going to be the end. It's going to be the one and last man standing. Moksha 1 versus 3. Almost as 4 actually as it happens. Never mind, yeah. It's all one single lane and it's going to take care of that. Ladies and gentlemen.
What a beautiful nade that was! How does it even find the knock? And now Flick YT's just going to keep on pressing on. The charge just goes for the spam through the grass. He does not find any connection, does not find any confirmations either. But he blows that vehicle up. And RIP Mizoram, they were quiet for a while, but now finally the silence is broken out into an all-out war.
Indeed. Nirvana just going to throw out as many nades as he possibly can, with of course a little bit of precision, but he is of course going to be in a bit of a tight spot. Flick right around him. He's got Lord taking in a lot of pressure at the moment. Nameless need to probably take in that flank fight right now because Gen are in huge pressure. This could be the fight that gives Nameless a push over the line, because if they push in right now with a little bit more conviction, maybe get IGL back up on his feet, because Gen themselves are a little wounded right now. This fight right here, Gen FM versus Nameless, could mean qualification for Nameless themselves, because Gen FM are sitting in a lot more of a comfortable position compared to them at least.
Pretty much. All the 4 players from Gen FM, man. Now the players, once again, just trying to close on in towards the safe zone. At this point in time, it's just going to be the panic setting in. This is the players of RIP Mizoram. He's got the most amount of advantage. And what is going on? It's ruckus all across the board, as even RIP Mizoram want to be a part of this action. Even they want a little bit of piece of this pie. But look at Gen FM. The man's pushed up with the shotgun, but he gets shot from the back. And then Nameless crew as well is trying their best to defend this ground down. And somehow Spray's able to shut down 2 players from RIP Mizoram. And now the fight's isolated down to a 1v1, but he still gets shut down. It's going to be RIP Mizoram with a back-to-back inside of the game. What a way to close things up.
Third party, absolutely on point. They came out of nowhere. We were focusing on Nameless and Gen FM, but they came in